Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Back here with another Trading 212 portfolio update. This is episode 53 in the series. Hope you're all doing well. It's been really bad weather over the last 7 days. It's been shocking. It's literally been horrible. Every time I've gone outside, it's been chucking it down. Anyway, so today I want to talk about the overall portfolio update, how it's done. Little spoiler alert, it hasn't been doing too good. If you want to see last week's update, it is up here. But yeah, let's go through and have a look. So as you can see here, the portfolio is now at £8,752.06. I've invested £9,557.57. I am down a whopping £805.51. That's 8.43% in the red. If we look at the start of the week, when we closed off last week, I was literally down £33. So the markets have literally tanked, fallen off a cliff. And if we go on Monday, I was actually up £7.47. That's 0.08% in the green, and then it's just downhill from there. Literally, it's literally, you know, I'm almost down. Well, I am actually down £805 and 51p. Not happy with that, but you know, I'm in it for the long run, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm not going to get stressed out and be like, oh, I'm down 800 quid, what am I going to do? But yeah, so I'm just literally going to hold on to what I have, and I think they're pretty good stocks, to be honest. However, some are not that great if we're going to go into a second lockdown. So yeah, let's go through and some of the top fallers this week. So a top faller this week is, well, one of them. It's not going to be in any order. We're just going to go through some that I've noticed that have dropped quite a lot. And Telefonica is one of those. It's currently at €2.80, I guess. Let's just round up. I've got 50 shares at the moment, worth £125.66. Returns at the moment, I am down £74.51. That's 37.22%. The FX is kind of working in my favor and reducing my losses by about 2.64%. So not too worried about that. Potentially, I may look into purchase a few more of these just to average that cost down, because the average cost at the moment is €4.57. So, you know, quite a bit high, to be honest, so not ideal. Shell did announce that I think they did increase their dividends by about 4%, so it did drop to lows around like 8.55, 8.47, I guess, but it has been rising this week and it is only down around 1.05%, so not too worried about this. Yeah, so I think they did announce a dividend on that, so not too worried about it. It's one of those stocks that are just going to sit there for a while until I figure out what I want to do with it. Realty income has actually dropped quite a bit this week. It is down 4.71%. So I've got 11 shares in this portfolio and I'm down £17.97. That's 3.53%. So I think right now this is probably a good opportunity for me to try and buy in or buy a few more of these shares, just to not really average down, but I think it's a great value stock anyway for the long run. And surprisingly, I'm not going to lie, New River REIT is actually up. It is up 2.92%. It's literally just been sitting here since the pandemic started. I haven't really been doing much about it, and we're not going to talk about that anyway. In terms of the other stock that I want to talk about, again, you know, Main Street Capital hasn't been doing too good as well. It is down quite a bit. Current price is around $27.39. When it closed on Friday, I'm down 8.85%. So I've got 16 shares. I'm down £46.86. That's 12.18%. So not great. The exchange rate is definitely working in my favor, reducing my losses by about 1.3%. That's about a fiver. Average price is $31.51. Again, I think this is actually quite a good opportunity to average down on this one, or at least close a few positions if I'm going to add any more to it. Moving on to Energy Transfer has literally tanked this week. So they did announce that they cut their dividends by around 50%, or their distributions by about 50%. I think that was last week, and it has literally just been dropping. So it's at $5.15. So I think it's still a quite good price to average down on, but I need to be smart about it, and I'm going to hold some cash behind rather than invest it this week. I just want to see how it goes. It is definitely tempting to add a few more shares to this just to try and average down, but I want to hold my cash just to see how low it goes. So I've got 414 shares. I am down £409. That's 19.19%. So if we look on last week, the share price was around $6.17. So I wasn't down that much, but now I'm down quite a bit. So that has definitely impacted my overall returns for the portfolio. Another one I want to talk about is Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is down 6.91% over the last 7 days. I'm still up 182%. That's £388.67p. So this is something that I think will do potentially really well if there is another lockdown. This is probably one of my COVID stocks, if you want to call it, and I do think they're going to do really well. But talking about that, I also want to talk about a stock that I don't actually have in this portfolio, which is Amazon. So with Amazon, it's not actually in the portfolio, to be honest. It's not in my portfolio, but I'd love to know what you guys think about it, because a lot of analysts have actually upped their price targets for this. So for example, with JP Morgan, they've upped it to $4,100. Similar companies have done this. So Barclays have upped it to $3,660. Benchmark have upped it to $4,000, and Wedbush have upped it to $3,900. So I'd be interested to know what you guys think about this. This stock was actually in the top 10 of Stake, most traded stocks. So if you haven't seen that video, it's in the card above and in the description. But yeah, I would like to know what you guys think about this. Is a cloud investment a good one? So I'd be interested to know what you guys think, whether it's worth investing in Amazon because, AWS, or Microsoft in Azure, or Google and their Google Cloud platform. But also, I'd love to know what you guys think about that Snowflake company that IPO'd, where there was a lot of talk about it and then it's just kind of died off. So I'd love to know what you guys think about that one as well. And that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button, and see you in the next one.